Okay, so hello. Paano po tayo uutang ng load? So remember, this is for only TNT SIM. Okay, so first we're going to do is to dial the asterisk 123 and then sign number. After that, just call this one, the asterisk 123 dial number. Just wait for a while. And then as you can see, we have balance 5 pesos. So now, ang gagawin natin dito sa number 9, just click the number 9, the waste hacks, then send. After that, mapunta kayo dito sa as you can see, balance, manage, auto renew. Tapos sa number 4, i-click natin utang na load, then send. So after that, just click the number 1, just continue, then send. As you can see here, dito po, ito po yung mga pwedeng iutang na load. We have 30 load, regular load, data, call and text, check loan balance, and the last 0, which is back. So let's try regular load, the number 2, and then send. So after that, immediately walang internet, walang signal. Eto, available po siya is 30 pesos, 20 pesos, 15, and 10. So let's try the number 4, which is 10 pesos. Then send. So wait for a while. Minutes lang yan. So as you can see, dito po i-continue lang natin. Just click the number 1 and then send ulit. So ayan, thank you. A text information will be sent. So ayan na po, nag-send na siya. Ang bilis. Ilang minuto lang. Okay, just click the OK. As you can see, ito po, smart load, utang. Ito po ay just now sa pinaka-last, November 16, utang na load, approved. 10 ang no credit. So, ngayon is November 8. Tama. Para makita nyo. So, paano i-check, diba, yung balance natin kanina is 5. Para makita nyo na dumating talaga yung 10 pesos na inuutan natin, just click the asterisk 123 dial again, and then sign number. So after that, wait, kung ano yung ginawa nyo kanina, same pa rin. So diba, balance natin is 15 pesos, na kanina is 5 pesos. Ganun lang. Thank you for watching.